Hey guys, Casey Nolan here. Typically, I don't do video review updates. However, if a company sends me a product and I don't really get to display its full potential, I will do an update from time to time. A couple weeks ago, I did a review on Divoom Voombox. Very nice, very loud, outdoor, rugged speaker. I like it a lot. I think it's really good. I took it camping and I gave you guys a review. And I also gave you guys a sound test. Now, what happened in that review is one side of the speaker was actually playing music and the other side was dead air. Now, there's supposed to be equal sound coming out of both sides of that speaker. Divoom actually saw the video. They realized that the product was defective. I was unable to give you guys the actual quality of that speaker. So in today's video review, I'm just going to give you an updated sound test, let you hear how it's supposed to sound, and Divoom got me a brand new Voombox to go ahead and test out for you guys. So I'm not going to go through the unboxing and all that crazy nonsense today. We're going to jump straight in the sound test. I'm going to let you hear it. It sounds awesome. When both sides are kicking, it's way louder than the other one was that I tested before, and I hope you guys enjoy this updated Voombox review. My name's Casey Nolan. Let's go. So there you have it, guys. That was the updated Voombox sound test. This thing is way louder than it was before in the last review. So if you actually stumbled across my first review, I hope that you were able to find this review, because this is actually the quality that you're going to be getting if you purchase this product. You're not just going to get, half of the speaker working and half of it quiet. This thing is loud from both sides. That's the way it's supposed to be, because it's 15 watts total, 7 on each side, 7.5 on each side. Check it out, really good speaker. I hope you guys enjoyed this update, and until next time, peace.